Welcome to Entertain Club. It's negative 40 degrees in Siberia, and these people wanted to do an experiment. So they put some boiled water into a bowl and threw it in the air. Watch what happened. How patient do you think cats really are? Well, these people found out with a really cool experiment. This puppy surely loves this baby.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! His face is like, he's like so not sure about it. Oh, that's...
Believe it or not, this is made out of only dice.
Hey,
I hope you liked this video and made you smile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.